everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I just wanted to show you my process on how I sculpt and make molds from my polymer clay items. Today it's snakes. So as you can see, I have already sculpted the snakes and I have made my mold. If you're interested in how I make molds, I will link a video up above here. Once I have the clay out, I'm just going to tidy up the edges on my mold. Here you'll see me using East Coast resin. This is my favorite resin to use. These are going to be two-part pourings. So the first half is going to be clear resin, so I'm not pouring enough for the whole mold, I'm only pouring for the first half of each mold. After I'm done mixing my resin, I let it sit for a little bit on a warming plate to get rid of some of the bubbles. I pour slowly and from high up to reduce bubbles. It's about 4 hours later. The first layer is not cured yet, but that's okay, it doesn't have to be. And now I'm just going to go in with the second layer of each mold. Okay, it is the next day after pouring the second layer. I have no idea what happened with this mold. There were multiple spots that stuck to the resin. I've actually never had this happen with this Moldstar 15 Slow mold putty before. I have no idea what happened. This is my first demolding with this mold, so I don't know if the curing process didn't go properly, but it just completely ruined this mold. This resin piece needed a little bit more cleaning up to do. I picked all of the mold off of it, and then I'm going to clean it up with an X-Acto knife. Depending on the kind of finish you want for your resin pieces, I'm using both resin and this jewelry glaze. This is my favorite glaze at the moment. It dries really glossy. You could also use UV resin to finish your pieces. This is a little bit more time consuming and messy. Here are the finished pieces. I really love this iridescent flaky glitter. It looks really good in the sun. And this is probably my favorite chunky glitter. It's like a rainbow inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.